Many is used with countable nouns only in negative sentences and questions. Countable nouns are things we can count like apples, books, cars, and friends. We never use many with uncountable nouns like water or sugar. The core rule is simple. Use many with countable nouns in negative sentences and questions. Countable nouns can be counted one by one. This special rule applies only to negative sentences like I do not have and questions like do you have. Countable nouns are things we can count individually. Apples, books, cars, and friends are all countable nouns. We can say 1 apple, 2 books, 3 cars, or 4 friends. These always have numbers. Here are common countable nouns: book, chair, apple, car, dog, pen, friend, house. All these nouns can be counted with numbers: 1 book, 2 chairs, 3 apples, 4 cars. Never use many with uncountable nouns. Water, sugar, rice, milk cannot be counted individually. For these, we use much instead of many, but only in negative sentences and questions. In negative sentences, we use many with countable nouns. I do not have many books. There are not many cars. She does not know many people. Notice many always follows do not or are not with countable nouns. In questions, we use many with countable nouns. Do you have many friends? Are there many apples? How many books do you read? Questions always use many with things we can count. Quick test, say I do not have much friends is wrong. Correct is I do not have many friends. How much books is wrong. Correct is how many books. There are not many cars is correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.